Hi guys,
I say you're pretty inside and out, I should let you know. Girl, you're pretty inside and out, I should let you know. You're pretty inside and out, I should let you know.
so right now we are on the road with my brothers and my auntie, but she's not in the vehicle. Let her permit it. So as I was saying, guys, we're on the road. I did my lashes, but I don't really like how this one look. I don't know if you guys could see, but it look kind of weird. But anyways, we're on the road right now, and I'm on the hunt to find some flip-flops. And you wouldn't think that some flip-flops would be so hard to find, but they are. Yesterday I already checked 2 locations, and I have 2 more places to check, which we are going to go after. So my auntie is not here right now. She gone somewhere to come back, and your girl is eating. I'll be your club.
Me too, me want me.
So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated if you find these flip-flops to do this TikTok trend that I saw. But of course I'm gonna tweak it to do it, you know, a little different, because I don't like to follow people. I like to get inspiration from others but not follow them. So stay tuned. So guys, we got the slippers. I'm so excited. Okay, so at first I thought that they was not going to have them because I only was seeing small ones, but we got them. These, like, they're almost a little bit too big for me, but that's okay. This is a medium, which is very crazy because this small one was way too big for me, but the medium fits. So the lady was like, maybe they labeled them wrong. But so guys, I'm gonna put on some red and white ruffles and maybe some flowers as well. But guys, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I never in my life see the day that I would be excited to see a pair of flip-flops. But anyways, yeah, so you guys will see that in this vlog, me doing it, and I'm going to also be doing a TikTok video as well. So if you guys are not following my TikTok page, specifically my business one, make sure you guys go and follow it. It's called Knit Perfection by Shaki, and that is it, period. So guys, I am home, and right now I'm about to go and organize my crochet kit. You guys see it here. It's very much giving chaotic right now, so I'm about to go organize it. And I took up the lashes that was right here because I have to fix them back, because you guys see me say in the beginning of the video that she see me? Yeah, see me say in the beginning of the video that this one look kind of weird, so I just took them off. So after I'm done recording this video, I'm gonna put it back on, so you guys will see in the other videos that I'm going to be posting. So yeah, let's get into it. So this is my crochet kit. Let me close it, guys. This is my crochet kit. Crochet kit, guys. It's purple. If you guys don't know, I actually like purple. I like purple and red. It has on this little sticker at top. It said, "Let all you do be done in love." I'm actually about to take this off because it's look very old. I hope it could come off clean. Actually, I might have to put an alcohol on it because you see that? It look old. Oh, and it's cracked, by the way. I'm gonna get a new one soon, but why buy a new one if this is still working? Fine. So I'm about to organize it, so you guys just watch. I'm gonna start. I think I'm gonna start at the top. So up here I have crochet hooks and this scissors thingy. Just gonna take out everything and this needle. So guys, as I said earlier in the clip as well, I got the slippers. And we are about to.
You're doing too much.
We got the flip-flops. I just man can wait. Anyway, so we about to go bust them out the string. And as you guys already know,
Obviously.
I'm.
Never left them in there.
I hear somebody attack. Anyways, so we about to rip them out the plastic. We got the flip-flops and we about to open them. Then yeah, easy use. Then easy use. So I'm about to do the ruffles on it. I'm not going to do the ruffles in this video. I'll insert the TikTok after I'm done making it into this video. So I ain't gonna see still, I ain't gonna see it like, you know. So I'm about to go record the video and make these, and then I'm gonna come back to you guys when I'm finished. I'm so excited. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will be crocheting some ruffle flip-flops with you guys. So this is a clip of me when I went to buy them, and now I'm going to start the crocheting process. So I'm not going to be giving any instructions per se or a tutorial, just will be explaining what I'm doing. So yes, I first started with the red yarn and crocheted it around the straps of the slippers, but then I decided to change the red and just do white instead. So later on in the video you guys will see the color change from red to white. So yes, this is just me showing you guys I made a slip knot, and then I'm going to start crocheting around the strap of the slippers. As I said, I changed the red to white, so this is how it looks. I did a total of 2 rows of ruffles, and I also added on some beads just to give it a little bit more, you know, to it. And this is how it looks. You can see the little beads there shining in the sunlight, and it is absolutely so pretty. I can't wait to wear them with the outfit. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.